K-TuberTV.
What's up, guys? It's K-Tuber back with another video, and we are doing the spicy food challenge, and we have these stacks chips. We have these hot Skittles. We have these these hot ranch Chipotle chips. And we also have these flaming hot, what's it called?
I think they're extra flaming hot crunchy Cheetos. They're twice as hot.
Okay, so what do you think we should start with?
I don't know. You have your water ready? This might get a little spicy.
Let's try this first.
You want to do the stacks? All right, pop it open. Ding.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's like a late hot. What do you think? Is it good? It is spicy. Woo! It's like a light hot. It slowly creeps up your tongue, doesn't it? Do you want to keep eating that one? That's pretty good. Let's look at how it looks. I like that. It's like a thick Lay's. A little hot.
I can't eat this.
You can't eat that one. Let's try a new one. So maybe we shouldn't go with the extra hot yet. Alright, what else do you want to do? We'll do these last.
Let's do this.
Flaming hot Chipotle ranch.
I'll get this one.
Alright, you want to try this one? I'll get a big fat one. Alright, you want to ding? Are you ready? Here we go.
3, 2, 1. I just like the tiniest bite.
I taste the ranch. You taste the ranch? I like that.
It's not spicy.
It's not spicy? That's good. And on the cover, you have
Like
some,
after it starts to get like slightly.
slowly creeping up your tongue like the other one. And it's the same brand, isn't it? I think so, because they both have flaming hot on them. So
And this one does too.
Ooh, that next one does too. Like you have some peppers with some ranch. Made with real cheese. I really taste the ranch in that one, but it is spicy. Do you like that one? So we had to say which one was hotter so far. Which one do you think? The ranch ones or the flaming hot? These? Alright. This is called Cheetos Extra Flaming Hot Crunchy. Twice as hot. So I wonder if they look the same. I bet they do look the same. Oh yeah, they look the same. Yeah, they look the same.
I'm gonna get a very small one.
Same. Alright, you ready to try it? No dink. Here we go.
2. just took on like a tiny crumb.
I don't feel. Oh. We get spicy later. Oh me. Do you taste it? But it's not that hot to me. Let me try another one. Maybe I need to layer the spice. Is it hot? Is it as hot as the ranch, or do you think the ranch ones are hotter?
This one might be
The 2 times as hot as hotter to you? I thought that was pretty good.
I can't finish this.
You can't finish that one? Are your fingers red yet? Let me see.
Yeah. They're kind of red.
They are kind of red. Uh-oh. Some Skittles, sweet heat Skittles. Alright, so on the back, they have some flavors. They have lemon, spark, flaming orange, fiery watermelon, sizzling strawberry, and blazing mango.
I think the mango one might be good.
Think so? Let's just pour some in here.
I'm really excited about this one because, oh, they're all dark colors.
They are.
Like no.
Maybe to give you a look of spice. All right, choose one. Let's try all of them. Let's do.
So first, let's do the yellow one.
What's the yellow one? Is lemon spark. All right.
The yellow. I didn't got red stuff on it.
Are you ready? Ding.
3, 2, 1. Hey, this is like real Skittles.
Mmm. Do you feel heat? I feel a little bit of heat. It's like a hot lemon. It's not bad though, it's really good. Do you feel it?
Like slow.
That one was good, lemon, so lemon spark.
When I was trying, what's this one?
The orange, that's, I don't know what the difference between flaming orange and blazing mango would be.
No, it's blazing mango. I think it's blazing mango.
You think so?
Come on, I got this one.
I think it is.
I got this one. You got the other one. You got like the orange.
Is that not the right one? Oh, I see the difference.
That's the color difference.
Alright, there's the difference.
Yeah.
So which one is which?
So that one's the blazing, what's it called? The blazing mango. That one's the flaming orange. This one's the flaming.
Oh, that looks brighter. Look at the thing. I don't know. Let's just
that
try
one's, yeah, this one might be the flaming orange.
I think it is.
No, it's this one. Sizzling.
No, that was the dark one. Let's just try it and see. We don't know. Mystery. Here we go.
That's definitely peach.
Mango.
Or mango.
That's peach. That's mango. That is
That's
good.
definitely mango. I want to eat another one. I want to get another one of those.
Is it hot though? Oh, I feel it a little bit. Who would have thought a hot Skittles?
Not even that hot.
I like that.
Let's try this one. Look, the blazing orange.
All right, blazing orange. Let me get one of those out. All right, you ready? Here we go.
I still have a little bit of the other one though.
That is definitely orange. That tastes like an orange sherbet.
I still like the other one in, like kind of.
You have a mix of flavors going on. That's a little spicy. That one was probably the spiciest one.
Now let's try.
That one is spicy.
Hit me again.
All right, what haven't we tried? Sizzling strawberry or fiery watermelon?
Let's think this one's the watermelon.
That's the lemon.
This is the lemon. See the difference?
Oh, you're right. How am I so tricked by this?
3.
Now, what is this one?
What is that?
We already did that one. That's the mango. We have sizzling strawberry and fiery watermelon, which should be pink ones. This should be these two.
That one tastes different.
Okay, I'll just try it. That's definitely watermelon. This one is watermelon.
Okay.
Is that what you just ate?
Mm-mm.
Watermelon doesn't seem hot. You tried the watermelon one?
This one's the watermelon.
Okay.
I think I might have just tasted the watermelon.
Oh no, taste it again and see. Get extra hot today. You didn't have that one.
This is really fruity.
So you must have had the strawberry one a while ago. Let me try strawberry now. Mmm. Strawberry tastes like. The strawberry's hot.
What's that watermelon?
You think watermelon's hot? Woo! When you mix those all together, take all of these. Let's put them in order. So what you think is not as hot, let's put it over here. So I'll start with these. I think these are the least hot. And then you think these were next hot? I thought you said, okay. Okay, the ranch ones are second. And these are almost the hottest, but you think these are the hottest. All right.
That's the end of today's video. So, bye. K-Tuber's joke of the day. What did the bee say? What did the bee do when he got hot? He took off his yellow jacket.